Hello and welcome to day 2 of our program or our short class on TradingView. That is how to use the TradingView. And in our last class, we talked about the interface of TradingView, how to register for a TradingView account. If you did not have access to that video, if you're on YouTube, just go to the previous video on our channel. That's youtube.com/Ademola Oladoja. And then you have access to that. So let's continue for what we have today. Now, yesterday we talked about these aspects, which is this place where you can select the symbol. For instance, I want to change this symbol. This actually NZD JPY, but if I want to change it to another symbol, as I've clicked on this area, that's why you see this screen pop up. So I can change it to, for instance, I can change it to gold. And there you go. You see, or change it to XAU USD, the same thing. I think this is based on gold spots, so gold futures. Coming XAU USD. Okay, so there we go. Let me just pick one of them, and there we go. See, gold, and this is what is going on in gold right now as we speak. So you can use it to change to any chart of your choosing. Then here you change the time frame. You can change it. For instance, let's change this to 2 hours charts. Let's change it to 2 hours charts. So you see gold spot US dollar, gold versus US dollar. That is 2 hours charts, and we're using the Oanda server to access this. Then, as I mentioned earlier, we have indicators as well. So these are the indicators. We have indicators. Let's wait for it to load. I think my internet is quite slow today. Okay, here we have the average decline, moving average, different kind of things are available here. So many. Let me scroll. You see so many indicators to choose from. Look at this. These are strategies. These are volume profiles. These are lots of things there. Candlestick patterns. See, abandoned baby. They're funny at doji. Okay, you can say, okay, I want something that will spot every doji on the chart. I want something that will spot engulfing bearish, engulfing bullish on the chart. They are all here. So, as I said yesterday, break as many eggs as you wish. Use a free account to understand how it works. Then you can go for the paid membership, the paid TradingView account. So here, see, there's a crosshair tool. There's a small arrow here. If I click on it, you see we have the crosshair. We have the arrow. This arrow is actually used to, click and drag on the chart. But this crosshair tool, let me check. This crosshair tool is used to know coordinates of price in relationship to time. For instance, I've selected the crosshair tool, and now you see the horizontal axis is talking about the price, where the vertical axis is talking about the time. I mean the crosshair tool, because actually the vertical is talking about price here and the horizontal is talking about time, but the crosshair tool is pointing to the price and the time. For instance, let me change this back to weekly so that it can be easily seen. 1 week. Good. So I want to know the point in time that this candle formed. I say, okay, this candle reached, okay, let's do this. It reached price of 1764.421 on the 14th of January 2021. So that's how you find the relationship. The same thing is in the MetaTrader client's terminal. So that, but the only exception is that in MetaTrader, you can use the crosshair to calculate number of pips by clicking and dragging, but this one doesn't work like that. So that's about the crosshair tool. Then yesterday we talked about the trend lines, right? We drew trend lines. We drew also the horizontal line, these two, 1 and 2. So I won't go further to all these ones because your trading strategy will be, the trading strategy you are using is a function of the kind of tools that you will be needing. So that's how that works. Now, a very important aspect of TradingView, which I must show you, is the aspect of risk assessment. Now, to analyze your risk before you enter the trade, okay, we are using the gold as an example. You can just come over here. There are some tools that you can use to analyze your trade to measure your potential risk. For instance, let's take a long position. You see here we have long position. I'm going to click here and come over here and click, and then I have my risk to reward ratio. This is the 50-50 risk to reward ratio as we speak. Now let's look at the items one after the other. Now we have here target. Target meaning that if I want to buy, this area is my take profit, right? If that's my target. So if you look at it, you see the target is 125 pips and the stop is as also 125 pips. That's 50-50 trade. But I'm considering doing something like this. Okay, and leave it like this. You understand? So this is used to measure your risk to reward ratio. Now let's look at this as well, which is this is a previous trade that could have happened. Let's take a short position this time. Come here, select short position and click. Good. By default is ratio 1. Okay, so I'm going to come here, drag it somewhere here. If my entry is here and my stop loss is over there, and then like this. Good. See, 2.09. Say 2. So this is a better risk to reward ratio trade. So use this to measure risk to reward ratio on your trades, right? So what else should we explain? This video is not about showing you how to analyze the market. It's about showing you how to use TradingView. So one more thing I will explain in today's class is how to set up a price alert. So we're going to set a price alert on gold. So let's quickly do that right now. I will just click on alert, click on it and wait. So we are setting a price alert on gold. See, XAUUSD. So if it crosses that value, that's when the alert will be triggered. So let's do it this way. If price crosses, okay, let me make it this 1719.484. If price crosses 1719.484, that means we want to do something. So I'll come in here. The value will be 1719.484. Only once, and expiration time will be next month, the same time next month. So alerts, okay, notify me on the app, show pop-up, send an email. So those are the options. You want it to send you an email, send you a pop-up, send you a notification. If you have the TradingView app on your phone, it sets the notification. So what's the name of the alert? You can call it gold is ready. Give it any name you like. There's no hard and fast rule about that. And then what else? That's all. Just click on create. There you go. An alert has been created. So on your TradingView, try and create an alert too, a price alert. It alerts you when price touches that aspect of the market, maybe a particular price in the market that the market has reached. The TradingView will notify you once that happens. And in fact, there's something I'm going to show us in the next class, which is how you can create a screener. In the first class, I mentioned that there's something called screener, which it will look for a particular condition in the market. When that condition is met, then it shows you list of currency pairs that meets that condition. Isn't that a very nice idea? it screens the market for you. So instead of you to do the analysis manually, analyzing each pair one after the other, it screens the market for you. Won't you like that? That's one of the things that TradingView can do for you. So in our next class, I will show you how TradingView can be used to screen the market. In today's class, we talked about the crosshair tool. We also talked about calculating your risk to reward ratio, both on the long position and on the short position. Then we also talked about setting a price alert. So in our next class, we'll be talking about the screener, which is available in the TradingView. I hope you're enjoying this. So as usual, I've started a new habit now. Like this video and subscribe if you love it, so that I'll keep making more of it. Then if there's an aspect that you want me to talk about in this TradingView, you can also let me know. You can type it in the comments that, okay, what of this aspect? I would like to know about this aspect, that aspect, so that I'll know what you actually want. So I'll be able to try and figure out a way of doing it for you. So enjoy your trading, and I wish you success in your trading. Bye.